Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to restore the headlights just in 30 minutes. During the yearly inspection of my car, the inspector commented that I have to replace the bulb or there's something wrong that is not bright enough. So I know the problem, the car has foggy lights due to oxidation on the headlights, and that's the reason I'm going to restore it. The effect after the restoration will be permanent, and it will look from this to this, and you just need 5 items for that: water bottle or water sprayer, alcohol cleaner, clear coat, masking tape, 3 different kind of sandpaper. And for the sandpaper you need 400 grits, 800, and the last one is 2000. It's very easy. I'm gonna show you how it works. The first step is to masking the tape around the headlights. In this step, I'm gonna spray water on the headlights as well as on the sandpaper and start rubbing the headlights. Make sure you don't leave any area. Try to be even every place. I'm using 400 grits sandpaper. In first step, you have to be gentle. 400 grits is quite rough. You can see how oxidation is getting away from the headlights. In next step, I'm gonna take 600 grit sandpaper and repeat the same process. For that process, you can put a bit of more pressure and keep spraying water on it. Improvement is being seen now. Here I'm gonna clean with the alcohol based cleaner and then continue with the next step. I'm going to take with the finest grit sandpaper, which is 2000. I'm doing the same process. In this process you can put more pressure and make sure you do rubbing evenly everywhere. Now we're gonna start applying clear coats, and I'm gonna repeat this process 3 times. For the next coat, we're gonna wait 5 to 7 minutes and let it dry. It's time for the final coat, and make sure don't miss any spot. Here is the initial look. You can see how much better it comes out, and make sure that car sits for a few hours so that clear coat get completely dry. And here you can see the difference. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.